Hey guys, this is Hershey, your testing officer from Service New South Wales, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will teach you the easiest way possible to do a reverse parallel park in your driving test. If you follow these steps, you will never ever fail your reverse parallel park in your driving test. That's my guarantee. Do watch this video until the end. Please do leave a comment if you have any further questions. So in your driving test in New South Wales, this is 100% guaranteed. Testing officers will not make you park in between the two cars like this. You will park where there is only parked car with which you will perform task, but there will not be any other cars whatsoever. So you will have space of at least 2 to 3 car lengths where you will perform the exercise. So do watch this video until the end. So I'll explain you how to do your reverse parallel park with no flaw. Pull over next to the exercise car, mirror to mirror preferably, as you can see in the picture. At the start we will only turn our steering wheel 180 degrees, put a car in reverse, look back physically, and then you can check the camera, and we will reverse as far as the red lines of our camera will touch the curb, as you can see in this picture. When it will touch the curb, we will stop there, turn our steering wheel all the way to the right, look over your right shoulder and start reversing again, and we will go as far as these lines of our camera will get aligned with the curb, as you can see in this picture. Move forward closer to the car and make sure you look back before reversing when you pull out and signal for 5 seconds. Another example, looking back before reversing, turning steering wheel 180 degrees, come as far as the red line in the camera touches the curb, full lock to the right, continue reversing back, align your car with the curb and move forward just to get closer to the car, and make sure you do look back before reversing again and indicate right for 5 seconds before you pull out of the curb. Now this one is a wrong one. If you turn your steering wheel all the way to the left just at the start, this is what happens. You come really close to the car, also you hit the curb here, or you come very close to the curb. To correct this, go forward, move forward, check over your shoulder, do a 5-second signal, move your car to the left a bit, then come back with the straight wheels toward the length of the exercise car, then turn your steering wheel all the way to the right to align with the curb again, and then move forward to go closer to the exercise car. This is how you can correct yourself. Points to remember: left indicator before pulling next to the exercise car, right indicator for 5 seconds before you pull out, and check your surroundings, physically looking back, physically looking over your right shoulder, check your surroundings. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and now we'll be able to do your reverse parallel park in your driving test with no issues at all. Do comment if you have any more questions, and please do leave the like button to show your love, and do subscribe to my channel for my future videos. Thank you so much.